Hello, and welcome to Pendulum Divining and Dowsing with Lyman Holton. Today, we've got this beautiful pendulum. Look at this one. Aconite is a type of granite and is a stone of vision. It opens the third eye and can be used for scrying. Scrying is the ability to foretell the future using a crystal ball or other reflective object or surface. In this case, the reflective object would be a highly polished aconite stone. Aconite is also thought to be a stone of balance. It grounds yourself as it brings emotions and spirituality together. Healers use aconite to support convalescence from illness. What a beautiful green and pink stone! Today, what I'd like to talk about is dieting. What's a good diet for you and what is a good diet for me? They could possibly be two different things, right? Now, let's start off with question number 1. On the average day, am I eating a healthy diet for me? On the average day, am I eating a healthy diet for me? So the pendulum is going in a clockwise position. For me, that means, no, I'm not eating a healthy diet. Okay, I try to, but I am a married man, and naturally, my wife pretty much runs a good portion of my life, which includes my diet. What she considers healthy, and she really does like to eat healthy, but what she considers healthy food and me are two different things. So perhaps I could eat a healthier diet. Okay, question number 2. In consideration of my current health condition, is it in my best interest to adhere to a keto-based diet? And there the pendulum is in a yes position. Counterclockwise for me is yes. Okay. A keto-based diet means you predominantly eat protein, mostly beef, and beef organs, all that. Can be cooked. You include the fat. That's the basis of the diet. And you can put in low-carb vegetables, green vegetables, things like broccoli. Cauliflower is not green, but it's acceptable. There's leaf lettuce, many different leafy green vegetables to be included in that. Okay, so we'd have to look up of a list. There's about 8 that are considered really good. And they're tasty, common vegetables. They work nicely with that. You want to stay away from your carbs. Keto diet, that would be the best for me. And I've tried it for a short time. And it really was right for me. Number 3. Am I deficient in any major vitamin? Okay, so here we're going clockwise, which means no. So I'm not deficient in any major vitamins. That's good. Now, if I were, I could go down a list of vitamins to ask if I'm deficient in, vitamin A. Am I deficient in vitamin B and C and E and so on? And you could swap that out and do the same thing with minerals. And if you were deficient in any minerals, you could hit the major minerals, work through that. and a variety of other things as well. Okay, so thank you for watching, and goodbye until next time.